This just pulled out. Silver will reverse in 72 hours. There are several economic indicators that we need to watch for this metal because silver follows a pattern. We have a long history of silver, and when you look at those patterns, you could see what's coming up. In just 72 hours, we have a big hit coming to silver. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click the link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's a lot of fun. It's free. Click that link. You should be the next winner. Take that silver home, 20 American Silver Eagles. Everyone is excited about silver breaking $38 an ounce, but in just 3 short days, that price is going to drop. Check this out. The Consumer Price Index, the CPI, measures how prices are rising for everyday goods, anything we buy, food, gas, rent, you name it. Now, this number tells us how hot inflation is, and the Fed uses it to decide whether to raise or to lower or to hold those interest rates. So this is coming at silver because high inflation usually boosts silver as a hedge, but if the Fed responds with higher rates, it can actually pull silver down. It strengthens the dollar and it boosts yields. Money goes where it's treated best. People try to get some profit from those yields, so they pull from precious metals. And the report's coming July 15th. That's 3 days from now. It's going to show June's inflation trend, and markets are watching this very closely. Check this out. This is from Reuters. They're saying if CPI numbers come in higher than expected, say prices keep climbing or core inflation stays sticky, the Fed might delay any future interest rate cuts. And what happens then? Yeah, the dollar gains strength, real yields climb, precious metals like silver drop, and we lose this wonderful $38 spot price that we're so excited about. That's why my local dealer is warning stackers, don't sell just yet, but be ready for volatility, because that number can come in super hot. Even though inflation is usually good for silver, when the Fed fights back with tighter policies, it becomes a short-term drag for us. And here's the flip side. If the CPI report shows that inflation is cooling off, that's a green light for the Fed to ease up. So lower inflation could mean rate cuts stay on track, or at least they're not pushed further out. And that's great for silver because lower rates usually weaken the dollar and investors return to hard assets. So ironically, silver could benefit either way, but it all depends on how the market interprets the Fed's next move. If the report shows inflation is tamed, silver might jump back toward that $40 mark that we're so excited to reach. So we need to watch this very closely as it plays out. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. They're holding a great contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Be the next winner. Click that link, and I'll see you on the next one.